Good morning, everyone. My name is Pop-Up Cardenas, and welcome to my Happy Healthy Human podcast where we will discuss being grateful in life and how to become a happy human with a healthy mind.
Just a disclaimer, I'm here to share my life experiences, successes, and failures. The information presented in this podcast is to inspire people. I recommend seeking guidance from experts such as mental health advocates and other experts in the chosen field. But rest assured that all your feedback, comments, and suggestions are important to me to improve my content moving forward.
Welcome to episode 6 kung saan tatalakayin naman natin kung paano makakatulong sa atin ang pag-focus sa isang task o sa iisang bagay. Or tinatawag din nating single tasking na ibig sabihin ay doing one thing at a time, which is obviously kabaliktaran ng multitasking. Minsan kasi akala natin ang galing-galing na natin kapag nagmo-multitask tayo. Well, depende talaga kung ano yung minumultitask natin sa buhay eh. Pwedeng trabaho, personal na mga gawain, or minsan nagmumultitask din tayo sa mga bagay na wala namang katuturan. Tulad ng paglaro ng PlayStation or pagmo-Mobile Legends habang kumakain ng chichirya. Actually, hindi ko naman sinasabing 100% na walang maitutulong na maganda ang multitasking ha. Isang example ng effective na multitasking ang paglilinis ng kwarto. Pwede rin paglilinis ng sasakyan or bahay. Kasi habang naglilinis ka, pwede kang makinig ng music or podcast, kumanta, at nasasabayan mo pa ito ng ehersisyo. Pero sabi nga nila, you are talented kapag multitasker ka. At ang sarap pakinggan pag tinawag kang multitasker, di ba? Ibig sabihin, kaya-kaya mong pagsabay-sabayin ang mga bagay sa limited na oras. You're doing more than one task at a time. Pero ang tanong, masaya ka ba? Did you complete the tasks without errors or small mistakes? Or hindi ka ba na-stress? Malabong sabihing hindi. Kasi multitasking gives you a lot of stress and burnout. Kaya if we think that multitasking makes us look productive, it's the other way around. It is not. Multitasking makes us less efficient and effective because we are not present and we are not focused on one thing. Alam nyo ba, multitasking can also decrease our productivity to 40%. Kaya here are the top 3 things and benefits kung paano makakatulong sa atin ang pagsisingle tasking. Number 1, single tasking makes you feel present. Single tasking and prioritizing is more effective kasi we only focus our attention by completing one task before moving on to the next. It means we are fully present on the task at hand that will also reduce mistakes or errors. If you are present, the universe is giving you undivided attention in one task for deep focus na walang halong distraction. If you're present with one task, ang attention mo ay nasa iisang bagay lamang at nabibigyan mo ng maayos na solusyon ang isang trabaho kasi you are actually in the zone. If you are quote-unquote in the zone, ang hirap na tumalon sa isa pang gawain habang ginagawa mo pa ang isang trabaho. Tignan nyo, kapag may biglang pina-urgent na work yung boss mo sa trabaho habang deep focus ka sa isang task, nakakawalang gana at nakaka-stress, di ba? Kasi nawawala yung momentum mo. Ngayon, itatry natin pagsabayin. Mangyayari naman ay hindi ka na present sa iisang task at maaaring magkamali ka na sa isa. Kaya if you think that urgency is needed sa isang bagong task, you need to learn prioritization. Itabi mo muna yung hindi urgent. Balikan mo ito kapag natapos mo na yung isang bagay. Kasi importante ang pagiging present sa paggawa ng isang trabaho or gawain. Kasi it makes you more productive and effective. Number 2, single tasking makes you feel less stressed. There's a study last 2023 from the Psychoneuroendocrinology Journal that multitasking activates the part of the nervous system responsible for stress. Bakit stress? Kasi multitasking will pull you in so many directions that makes you feel exhausted and overwhelmed. Sabay-sabay ang mga bagay at hindi mo alam kung ano ang priority at kung ano ang uunahin. One good example is, gusto mong matapos ng maaga sa opisina ang deliverables mo. Dahil sa gusto mong matapos ng maaga, pinagsabay-sabay mo yung tatlong tasks in a single time. There are two instances dito. Una, hindi mo matatapos ang isa o dalawang tasks na pinagsabay mo kasi magkaiba sila ng layunin. And it is overwhelming na baka mali yung magawa mong task doon sa isa. Kasi your mind is in chaos. And if your mind is in chaos, you can never compose yourself and you will feel stressed, angry, anxious, and maaaring makapagbigay ka pa ng hindi magandang enerhiya sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Pangalawa, maaari namang matapos mo ito. Pero I assure you, there are mistakes or errors sa mga nagawa mong trabaho. Hindi ko naman nilalahat. Pero may magagaling din naman talagang multitaskers where they can deliver quality tasks in a single time. It also feels good na nakapag-multitask ka na maayos, di ba? But still, it's exhausting and it will destroy your immune system. Kaya, we still suggest to focus on one task. And then after that, take a 5 to 10 minute break maybe. Huminga ka muna, kumuha ka ulit ng lakas bago ka tumalon sa susunod na trabaho. And I assure you, you will feel more productive and energized to jump into another task. Number 3, single tasking also makes us feel good and disciplined. If you practice single tasking without worrying yung mga susunod na trabaho, it makes you more effective. And if you feel good, magagawa mo ng maayos ang trabaho mo. And it's a sign of being disciplined. Always remember, discipline is the ability to focus on one course of action until that goal has been reached. At madadala mo itong disiplina na to, hindi lang sa trabaho mo, kundi pati na rin sa personal mong buhay at mga goals mo in the future. To feel good and productive on your tasks, I suggest to set priorities before mo gawin ang mga tasks mo sa buong araw o sa isang buong linggo para makita mo rin kung ano yung mga importanteng bagay na dapat mong unahin at matapos na hindi magiging mabigat before the end of your workday. And then, you also need to remove distractions if you need or if you want to focus on one task. Kung maaari, ilayo mo ang phone mo habang nagtatrabaho ka or isilent mo muna or patayin mo. There's always a time for social media. Kasi guguluhin lang ng social media ang oras natin. At marirealize mo na isang oras ka na palang nasa phone mo at nagsuscroll or nanonood ng TikTok. Try mo gawin yan tapos bumalik ka sa work. You feel anxious, di ba? You feel stressed out. You feel depressed. Kaya my key takeaway for this is to make single tasking a daily habit. And that's all we have for this episode at sana marami kayong natutunang mga bagay. But before I end this episode, I will truly appreciate if you share this episode or this podcast to your friends, to your colleagues, to your family, because I am more than happy to share good energy with people. Sa uulitin, ako si Popop Cardenas and this is the Happy Healthy Human Podcast. And just a message, don't be hard on yourself and avoid negative self-talk. Always be kind to yourself so you can also share kindness and good energy to the people around you. Again, my name is Popop at maraming salamat po.